How to transfer money from FairMoney to a bank account. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can transfer money from FairMoney to a bank account. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the FairMoney app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you have to tap on transfer. Then tap on add a new beneficiary. After that, enter your bank account number in which you wish to transfer and then search for your bank name over here. After that, enter the amount you wish to transfer and tap on continue. At last, just review your transaction and tap on got it. So that's how you can transfer money from FairMoney to a bank account. That's all for this video.